Hello YouTube, it's a Faceless Man here, and today I have a really important video for you guys. Now, I'm sorry I did not post a video yesterday. I was really busy and, I just had some personal things to do, but I have a lot of information to kind of give you today. Hopefully the video isn't too long, but it's really important information. Now, I have been receiving a lot of emails from a lot of my followers saying, hey, what do you think about General Electric? I've been seeing other YouTube videos saying that I should get into General Electric. What's your opinion? What's your insight? And in my opinion, guys, I wouldn't jump into it. Not yet. And the reason is because on Monday they're going to have an investors meeting, which most likely is going to be really bad for this company, General Electric. This is the company we're talking about, sorry. And the reason is because most likely they are going to cut their dividend. They recently fired a huge amount of their employees. And again, General Electric, sorry for my language, is going to shit. Now, they're a huge company. They're still a very huge company, but they're going to shit. And as you see, they've been going down lately, and people are saying, oh, look, it's a good buy, it's going to go down. Is it going to go back up? Or, I don't know if it's going to go back up. I can't really foretell the future. No one can. People are always saying, oh, well, this stock's going to go up. It's going to go up. Nobody knows, guys. It's a really risky stock to buy into right now just because of everything that's going on. And so far, they've had a really bad decade. It's not just this past year. They've had a bad decade. They've had issues with a lot of their, management leaving, and after their management left, the new management has just been horrid. Their their new plans on investing, everything has been just horrible. They haven't really brought a big revenue. So the stock for the stock, it paid a pretty good dividend. That's what kept it up there. But they're most likely, like I said, they're gonna cut it in half because they're pretty much paying $8.6 billion in dividends, and they're only receiving about $2 billion in free flow. So as you see, it's a huge gap. So they are going to cut their dividend. Most likely, because there's no way they can keep that up. They're just gonna collapse. So if you guys are looking into the company, I don't recommend it. I really don't. If you guys want to jump into it and take that risk, you can. And that's another thing I wanted to tell you guys. A person like me will jump into the stock as a day trade, not as a long-term investment or a short-term investment. I'm just going to day trade the crap out of this stock because, to be honest, guys, to give you some type of inside information, a person like me, a day trader, will take advantage of people like you, where, this stock kind of crashes and we buy into it, and the money you're losing, we're gaining. So, I don't want to get into detail of how that works. I'll eventually take out a video on that, but people like me, day traders, usually take advantage of people like you that buy into hype, and you guys lose the money and we gain it. So have that in mind, guys, that is a method of doing it. If you have experience day trading, you will keep this in your watch list, and I do recommend you guys getting it as a day trading stock, not keeping it more than a few moments, because this stock is really risky. Now, will I buy from it on Monday? I don't think so, just because I feel like it's gonna crash a bit on Monday. So yeah, so just keep an eye on it, guys. But like everybody's been telling me, should I recommend it? I don't recommend it at all. Don't buy into it. It's going really down the slump right now. Now, eventually, if it recovers, you could buy into it. But again, for the long term, it's just something I would never invest for long term, or even for a year. It's just, they're cutting its dividend. They're just not producing enough, income. They're not producing a lot of free flow. They're cutting their dividend. Everything is going bad for this company right now. So unless I see something really good, then I'll be thinking about it. I'll be watching it. But besides that, guys, it's not worth it. So that's my opinion on this. And yeah, I hope you guys got some information. Like I said, always do your own research before you take anybody's information into consideration. So again, if people are telling you buy this stock, again, do your research first. Look up the stock, look up its its records, its everything, its monetary portfolio, how they do it and everything, and you be your judge. So yeah, again, thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you're curious about what platform I'm using for this phone application, it is Robinhood, and I'm going to put a link in the description down below. So if you download the app from the link that you use down there, you will get a free stock after you sign up, and I will get a free stock. So far I have received some free stocks, so thank you guys for that. And I know one of my subscribers that signed up using that got an Apple stock, so congrats to you. And again, thanks. So I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace out.